All right, let's go over some previewing questions. We have a little bit of a little video clip to watch after these questions, but let's first discuss a few ideas about the population, the Spanish populations in the United States. If you remember from last chapter, we looked at the map and we had some percentages of Spanish speakers in the United States. What were those states that had a higher percentage? Yeah, it makes more sense that it would be around the border with Mexico, right? And some of the higher ones were New Mexico with about 44%, and then we get to California and Texas with about 35%, and then Arizona. Then on the East Coast, Florida has about 20%, and then do you remember where the other two were? We're up north from where we are in North Carolina. That's right. It was New Jersey and New York. Okay, have a higher concentration of Spanish speakers. So have you visited any of these places? Have you visited any of those states before? And what did you notice about those areas that have a higher percentage of Spanish speakers? Some of the places I've visited, I've noticed that the architecture is a little bit different. I've noticed that the food is different, that it's more centered maybe on a Tex-Mex sort of menu. And let's see, what else have I noticed? Maybe the mode of dress might be a little bit different. I've also noticed that the offerings of newspapers or news programs on television are more common. And so what kind of things have you noticed? All right, well, let's go ahead and watch the video that's associated with these questions and see if you can add a little bit more to what you've been thinking.